Hey everyone, today we're going to explore three fantastic alternatives to MyFitnessPal for tracking your nutrition and fitness goals. Let's dive in. First up, we have MacroFactor. This app is perfect for those who focus on macro tracking. That's tracking your intake of protein, carbs, and fats. First, lose weight, gain muscle, and maintain results. MacroFactor supports diverse goals, offering a range of features for weight loss, muscle gain, and maintaining results. It is the fastest food logger with verified database. You can experience the quickest food logging with MacroFactor's ultra-fast utilities, backed by a verified database for accurate tracking. It has smart nutrition coaching algorithms. MacroFactor employs smart algorithms to personalize calorie and macro targets based on your goal, providing weekly adjustments for optimal progress tracking. Next is Dynamic Energy Expenditure Calculator. Receive a personalized energy expenditure calculation that adapts to your changing needs, ensuring accurate calorie targets for your goals. Next, Micronutrient Tracker with comprehensive goals. Enhance nutrition by tracking important vitamins and minerals, utilizing MacroFactor's three-part nutrient goal management and insightful charts. Next is Progress Photos and Body Metrics Tracking. Track your progress with up to 3 photo view and 21 body metric, visualizing your journey over time for a comprehensive understanding of your achievements. Next is Widgets for Actions. Evaluate daily nutrition at a glance and take action swiftly with MacroFactor's customizable home and lock screen widgets, ensuring efficient monitoring. Last, Science-based sustainability. MacroFactor grounded in nutrition and behavior change science. Flexibility adapts to your goal and lifestyle, minimizing stress and fostering a sustainable, guilt-free approach to achieving and maintaining results. Next on our list is Chronometer. If you're someone who's all out about getting detailed insights into your nutrient intake, this app is for you. Chronometer helps you count calories, meet nutrient targets, and track progress over time for cultivating healthy habits. Log meals, tracking macro and micronutrients with a detailed breakdown of up to 84 nutrients and compounds. Easily log meals, exercise, and create items like foods, recipes, exercises, and health metrics. Unlock insights with health reports and charts, understanding how nutrients and metrics correlate over time. Set personalized goals with custom diet settings including weight, macro ratios, and nutrient targets. Track intermittent fast, observing their effects over time with Chronometer's dedicated fasting timer. Whether keto, vegan, or doctor recommended, Chronometer supports various diets, providing tailored guidance. Our third contender is MyNet Diary. This app strikes a balance between user-friendliness and comprehensive tracking. MyNet Diary offers the easiest food logging and health tracking. With a gold standard food database featuring 1,480,000 verified foods and up to 50 nutrients, it's accurate, regularly updated, and ensures efficient tracking. Experience the fastest tracking with MyNet Diary. Fewer steps to log foods means quicker daily tracking, saving you valuable time. Efficiency meets effectiveness in your health journey. MyNet Diary is awesome even without a subscription, providing more for free than any other diet app. No ads or promoted stories, just a clean and efficient tracking experience. Some of the key features of MyNet Diary is a digital coach. This personalized guidance for your fitness journey. Next, diet and nutrients insights. Gain valuable insights into your diet and nutrient intake. Next, healthy diet planning. Plan and achieve your health goals seamlessly. Second to the last, medication and diabetes. Tailored support for medication and diabetes management. Lastly, it has a beautiful visual design, an aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly interface for a delightful tracking experience. Now, let's talk about how these apps stack up against the popular MyFitnessPal. While MyFitnessPal is undoubtedly a powerhouse with a massive food database, these alternatives bring some unique features to the table. MacroFactor excels in macro tracking. Chronometer goes above and beyond with detailed nutrient analysis, and MyNet Diary offers a holistic approach with additional health tracking features. Ultimately, the best app for you depends on your specific goals and preferences. If you love the simplicity of MyFitnessPal but want a change, give these alternatives a try. They might just be the perfect fit for your fitness journey. So there you have it, 3 solid alternatives to MyFitnessPal. Whether you're a macro enthusiast, a nutrient tracking pro, or someone looking for an all-in-one solution, this app have got you covered. As always, it's essential to find the app that aligns with your goals and make your fitness journey enjoyable. If you've tried any of these apps or have any other recommendations, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.